In case you were wondering what our piglets do on a normal day, they usually leave their fence and run around the yard. Some of them hang out in the garden. So far they haven't ruined anything. And some of them go and hang out with the ducks and the geese that are down there. But usually they just run and play. So let's see how close I can get to them. And you're gonna get to see them run away from me. Some of them are more brave. Hey, sweetie. No. They go so fast. They also like to hang out with the grown-up boy pigs, so their dad and their brothers and half-brothers. They're running home to Mom now. Mom's cage. They're having trouble getting back in the cage though because they've gotten so big and fat. Let's see how they do. There you go. They made it. Home with Mom. There they are. Hey, sweeties.